Once again, thanks for joining us. Holly Shields here, reporting for Kalkine TV. Let's talk about the 3 robust ASX-listed healthcare stocks to keep an eye on in March. Healthcare has always been one of the crucial sectors, be it medical device making companies or healthcare services providers. As pandemic wreaked havoc on all sectors, healthcare was not immune to its devastating impacts. However, many companies are now coming up with new research to fight corona and are performing well. Interestingly, investors are keenly looking to invest in the healthcare sector, as some of these companies have already received the regulatory approvals to develop COVID-19 drugs or are in the race to get the green light. Here, we will have a quick look at some of the ASX-listed healthcare stocks that are making a buzz. First up is POLYNOVO Limited. Medical device maker POLYNOVO Limited develops dermal regeneration solutions using its patented NovoSorb biodegradable polymer technology. The Melbourne-headquartered company was on an expansion spree recently as it extended its footprints in Italy, Turkey, and Poland in January this year. Post that, the company announced expansion of operations in Denmark, Iceland, and Norway through its partnership with Copenhagen-based MEDICUS, a medical device distributor. Overall, it expanded to 11 other European markets in the last half year. In late February, the company also announced enrolling its first patient for its SynthPath chronic wound reimbursement study. It's a 2-part study whose results will support PNV to gain reimbursement from US-based health insurers for NovoSorb SynthPath in their wound care centers. Its NovoSorb SynthPath product is developed for treatment of non-healing diabetic skin ulcers. POLYNOVO received a lot of attention from investors for its share price reaching a 52-week high of $4.08 during intraday trading on December 21st. However, since then, the stock has been showing a steady drop with the share price reaching Australian $2.315 on March 9, despite the positive business announcements. The company reported a $3.5 million net share profit after tax loss in the H1 FY21 period, dampening investors' confidence and thus impacting the share price growth. However, POLYNOVO is expected to grow positively with 59% annualized revenue growth over the last 5 years, ending in 2021. POLYNOVO shares closed at 2,760 on the 16th of March 2021, up 6.976% from the previous close. Next is MEDICUS. MEDICUS is a radiology IT software and services providing company whose shares have surged 23% this year. The share price has been heating up on the back of the company's robust performance in the first half of FY 2021, along with its new contract deals. The company's revenue rose to $31.6 million with an increase of 7.8% over the corresponding period, with profit before tax recorded at $19.7 million. The company's huge contract wins signify its massive growth potential. In February, the company also signed a 7-year, $31 million deal with the university health system, including UC Los Angeles, UC San Francisco, UC San Diego, UC Davis, and UC Irvine. The company also clinched a 7-year deal worth $40 million with Intermountain Health January. Sales of MEDICUS closed at $43.830 on 16th of March 2021, up 3.739% from the previous close. ASX 200 listed digital health company RESMED is underperforming the S&P 500 as its share price has been constantly sinking on the ASX since the start of the year. Despite that, the company reported adjusted earnings per share at $1.41 US, up 16.5% year over year in its second quarter of fiscal year. Its total sleep and respiratory care revenues from the United States, Canada, and Latin America improved 4.6% to $426.8 million US. The management's view on the business potential remains upbeat as it believes its products can potentially address indications like sleep apnea, asthma, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. It's estimated that approximately 936 million people are suffering with sleep apnea worldwide, with the majority of them remaining undiagnosed. The company further highlighted that 380 million people are suffering from chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and 340 million people have asthma problems. Shares of RESMED closed at 24,490 on the 16th of March, up 1.618% from the previous close. Thanks again for tuning in and see you next time.